Hello students, this is my continuation lecture in the fundamental units of life. Till now we have discussed till cell wall. Now I am going to start it with nucleus. As you can see, I have made a nucleus ka diagram. Over very new words must be there for you people like chromatin, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and nucleopore. ये सारे टर्मिनोलॉजीज अभी आपको क्लियर हो जाएंगे एज वी विल मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वन बाय वन. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. न्यूक्लियस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेल ऑर्गेनली ऑफ आवर सेल. इट इज लाइक द किंग ऑफ द सेल. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस के बारे में क्या कहेंगे सबसे पहले कि न्यूक्लियस हैज अ डबल मेम्ब्रेन्ड लेयर. So as we have seen that it is a double membraned it has a double membrane covering which is known as nuclear membrane. Now I will move it back. एक slide move करेंगे हम पीछे की तरफ जहां आपको ये दिखेगा कि these are double membrane structure. दो membranes दिख रही हैं आपको. It's a double membrane structure and that structure is या covering is known as nuclear membrane. If you can see, I'll give a close up to this diagram. Can you just make out there are two layers which are present over here in the membrane. So it's a double membranous structure and that membrane is not in a continuation, it is in a breaks. Can you just see here there are pores, है ना, आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे pores दिख रहे होंगे आपको, ये छोटे छोटे spaces दिख रहे होंगे. These are called nuclear pores. ठीक है, और अगर हम पूरे surface पे देखें तो इस तरह के dots जो आपको दिख रहे हैं they are resembling that nuclear pore. Can you just make out over here nuclear pore? So nuclear membrane has pores which allow the transfer of material. What are these pores for? Basically for the transfer of material. कहाँ से? From inside the nucleus to outside, that is into the cytoplasm. I'll give you another close up to this. You can make out it is double membranous having pores. These are called, this is nuclear membrane and these are nuclear pores over here. Okay. Okay, moving to the next slide. Nucleus contains chromosome which are visible as rod-shaped structures only when the cell is about to divide. Before going and discussing about chromosome, we should know what chromatin is. Here it is written, what is chromatin? In a cell which is not dividing, they are present as entangled mass of thread-like structure called chromatin. So what chromatins are basically? Can you just make out over here? The diagram labeling is there. Chromatin. Can you just make out these thread-like structures which are entangled to each other? एकदम उलझे हुए से thread-like structures हैं. इनको हमने नाम दिया है chromatin. These chromatin are present when the cell is in not dividing state. Okay, once the cell goes into dividing phase where the nucleus is about to divide, these chromatin threads, ये जो threads होती हैं ये condense हो जाती हैं. condense हो करके they form what is known as chromosomes. So one thing is for sure कि chromosomes आपको तभी दिखेंगे जब cell is in dividing phase. When the cell is not in dividing phase, जो आपको दिखेगा वो होगा एक thread like structure which will be known as chromatin.